Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, and what a crazy Friday it's already been. Editing like crazy, cleaning my apartment like crazy. One of my good friends is going to be staying with us this weekend. I had a chiropractor appointment, and now I'm headed to my facial girl. This girl has been doing my Botox for a while now. I have been talking to her this entire time since I started going to her about my under eyes, because I was very transparent with you guys. A few years ago, I was getting filler under my eyes because I have this lighting's excellent. I feel like it's not gonna actually show you. Let's try to get some bad lighting. I have very crepey eyes. So there's lots of little lines that come. It's very like deep right here and kind of darker right there. Specifically this eye. That's always been like a very big insecurity of mine. I unfortunately just have very thin skin, and there's really not that much that you can do about it except for having surgery. And I don't want to do that because that sounds like a little excessive. But she just got a brand new laser treatment that she's recommending I try, and I am so excited because I'm gonna do it. I could have this wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's some kind of CO2 laser that helps tighten and brighten the skin. So I'm very excited to try it. The downtime is nothing crazy. It's like a few days, and then you have kind of like dry skin under there for about like a week. Also, it's way better than a surgery or filler. So we're gonna go do that right now, and I'm so excited. Well, through the camera, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't. But guys, check this out.
It's just the side.
That's wild.
No, turn more. That, like, yeah.
It's like a harsh line. I got the CO2 laser all over my face, under my eyes, on my neck. And she said the downtime's not crazy, but it is gonna take like this weekend. Redness is like the weekend. And she's like, do you have anything going on? I was like, I have a party I'm supposed to go to tomorrow. I was like, but I don't care. Give me the laser.
I would cancel all my plans.
I was like, no. I don't care. Like, let's just do it. So it didn't hurt at all getting done, but it is starting to burn a little bit now. So I just took some Advil because you know how your body still is like registering that you got burned.
Well, also the numbing's wearing off. So
yeah. So I just took some Advil, and hopefully that's gonna kick in here in a little bit.
Did she say what to put on it?
She gave me a whole skincare kit.
Nice.
It's she said she now uses this exclusively as her skincare, but
it's a really good. I've used that. I bet there's a little serum. The lipid.
There's a serum, a moisturizer, a face mask, and then cleansing oil.
Nice.
And she said the cleansing oil will help like.
We gotta go to Korea,
out.
Ash.
Shoosh.
We gotta go to Korea.
Man. Anyways, my friend is coming to stay with us this weekend, and we have zero food. So Alicia and I are at Trader Joe's.
Even though she doesn't mean we.
What?
It's your fridge versus my fridge now.
You
food. Have no
we
food.
both need food.
Well, we both do need food, but it's not a we situation.
Okay. There's only one left. The dark chocolate one. Interrupting today's vlog with our sponsor today, Bombas. It is officially cold in LA, which means it's slipper season. It means it's sock season. And even more importantly than that, it's gift giving season. And if you don't know what to give your loved ones for Christmas, guess what? I got you. It's Bombas. So whether you're looking for a gift to give someone you love, or you're looking to gift yourself something that you love, I cannot recommend Bombas enough. Their cozy shop is officially open. Think plushie, think cozy, think soft. All the things you could possibly need for cozy season is there. My mom has always gifted me Bombas for Christmas, and now that my boyfriend is a part of our family, he is even getting gifted Bombas socks. It is like a McDonald's household requirement. My favorite is their Cashmere Merino Blend Vintage Rib Socks. They are the coziest. They also come in so many cute little designs and different colors. I got these really cute nude ones with like specks of color that go really well with my Sunday slippers, which if you need a gift to give someone or to gift yourself, I cannot recommend these Sunday slippers enough. I even surprised my boyfriend with a pair of his own because our apartment's gotten really cold this last month, and I've been wearing mine constantly, and he didn't have slippers, so I got him some. And now we're just the cutest little couple with our matching Bombas slippers. And I love a brand that stands behind their products. They have a 100% 100% happiness guarantee. And it means exactly what it means. If you don't like them, you can return them, even if your dog ate your sock. Bombas makes the number 1, number 2, and number 3 most requested items in homeless shelters. That's socks, underwear, and t-shirts. So with every purchase you make, one of those items gets donated to a homeless shelter and into the hands of someone in need. Bombas believes in one purchase, one donated, and new customers get 20% off if you go to bombas.com/AshleyNichole. That's Nicole with an H. Or you can scan the QR code wherever it is. Happy shopping and go with the slippers. Psych, it's me again. I know I said we were getting back into the vlog, but I also said in the last vlog that I was gonna do another giveaway. So here we are. I'm actually very excited for this giveaway. This is a good one. It's one gift, but it's also a lot of gifts. If you follow me on TikTok, then you probably saw this because I did a PR haul and I showed it, but this is a massive milk advent calendar. That is correct, milk makeup advent calendar. We have so many goodies here for you guys. The primer, the blur stick, the glow in virtual, the cooling water jelly tint in chill, the highlighter in lit, Kush high roll tubing mascara, Kush brow lamination gel, Kush lip oil in orange crush, Odyssey lip oil hydro grip set plus refresh spray. Oh my gosh, I just realized it's not an advent calendar. I think I just assumed it was. It's just their 10 greatest hits, but that's so funny that I thought it was an advent calendar. Anyways, all that to say is there's so many goodies in here and I want to gift this to one of you guys. So if you want to enter the Milk Makeup's 10 Greatest Hits giveaway, then all you have to do is obviously subscribe to my channel, follow me on socials, and for the comments, all I want you to do is comment your favorite cookie. How easy is that? Cake. Because I'm just assuming you're already following me. Comment your favorite cookie and I will pick one of you guys to gift this to. And yeah, I've just been really enjoying this little giveaway season. I've been loving chatting with the winners and I want to keep going. So go ahead, get in there. Okay, now back to the vlog. Hey guys, it is the day after getting lasered. It's probably hard to tell. No, you can see it. I'm definitely swollen under my eyes, but I don't feel any pain. And it's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I have a moisturizer and some sunblock on and that's it, but I'm sure it's gonna get worse tomorrow. There's like track lines of where the laser hit that I'm sure in like a couple of days it might like scab a little bit or get dry and kind of flake off. So I'm curious to see if that's gonna be like a smooth process or a not so smooth process, but honestly, as far as downtime goes, this is nothing. Tonight is a very exciting night. Jackson's friends host this cookie decorating challenge slash exchange every single year. The last couple of years going with Jackson has been so much fun and they take it very seriously. I think I chose my cookies. It's this like maple butter pecan cookie from Half Baked Harvest. I love Tegan. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you should. She's such a talented cook and I've made her cookies multiple times and they're always delicious, but I've never tried these ones. Also, it was really poor planning on my part with my skin. I'm trying to decide if I want to put a little makeup on, nothing crazy, maybe like a tinted moisturizer or something. I'll definitely do like mascara and brush my brows and lip products, but I'm trying to decide if I want to put something on here or not. I don't think you're supposed to for the first 2 days, but like, I just don't want to look like a tomato in all of the photos. Again, really poor planning on my part.
Zoe. What are you doing?
Make it a snack. You want a snack?
I would love a snack. Also, chocolate and flour.
Stop! I was gonna give you one. You can have two.
Oh no, I just need one. Thank you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna eat this whole chocolate bar
As you should.
in one sitting. Chloe, and then for you. They're pretty. Wow.
And George is about to play? Wow.
Isn't this good?
Very good. What is it?
Just a date and almond butter on an apple. Jackson.
It's a pancake thing.
It's a pancake making contest. I'll eat them. Okay, I managed to do my makeup and I'm pleasantly surprised with how it looks. You can still tell that I'm swollen right over here, but it's not too bad. And if you get close enough, you can see the tracking, but like, whatever. There's not too much I can do about it at this point. I did steal a turtleneck from Alicia in an effort to try to hide how red I am. So this is the plan here, and I'm pretty happy with the turnout. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, and I wasn't sure how the makeup was gonna take to my skin, and feels great, looks great. I'll just be sure to like triple cleanse instead of double cleanse tonight. Luckily my hair's not bad. This is day 3 hair. I just put a ton of dry shampoo in it. Top is not in bad condition, and that's all that matters. So we're just gonna throw a few curls here in and call it a day, because that's all the effort I got. I put all my effort into making cookies.